Hey guys, it's Dami, and today we are going to review this AirPod 4s with ANC that I got from DHgate. As you can see, the box is one-to-one with designed by Apple in California paperwork. Over to the AirPods themselves, they do come with the charging port under and with the speakers to find them using Find My. Find My sort of works, but only when the case is open. Going over to the parent is like the real thing. You open the lid and you just hit connect and you double tap on the case or the capacitive case like the real things are. And then heading over to the settings, I did see that somehow they were able to put Apple Care on this. So I copied the serial number of these AirPods and I ran it through Apple's serial number checker and they actually check out. So that's cool, that's nice to know. If you know, you know. And then heading over to the settings like ANC and transparency, I did try them out and ANC works, but again, it's not like the pros where they have like the silicone tips to stop external noise, but transparency works flawlessly on these ones. And also like the stem controls work as well on these AirPods. So with all that being said, links to this will be in the description and in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe on TikTok, follow, and I'm gonna drop more videos for you on the tech that I find or the tech that I do have in the future. Peace.